Hey everyone, Dr. Justin here. We just wanted to make a quick video so that you guys would know what to expect when you come visit our office during this time of the stay-at-home order and in the days and months to follow. We really miss you guys a ton and we can't wait to see you. We hope you enjoy the video where you're gonna see some of the safety measures we've put in place to keep you guys safe and to keep us safe and still make the visit to the dentist a really enjoyable one for all of you and your families. When you have arrived at our office, like usual, you will drive into the underground parking structure here at the Roosevelt Collection and you will park in the blue section. When you park your car, go ahead and send us a text. The number for texting us is 312-313-9952. Then we'll respond saying that it is now a good time to come on up. Make sure that when you do exit your car, that you go ahead and put on a face covering when you are in the parking lot and in the elevator headed up to our office. We do require all patients and any visitors, once they get to our office, to be properly protected with a face covering or a mask. You'll enter the elevator entrance and you'll take the elevators up to the second floor. Try as best you can to not touch anything as you come up, so using your elbows to touch all buttons. Upon exiting the elevator, you'll see our office immediately to your left on the second floor. And as you approach the door, you'll see a sign on our door politely asking you to go ahead and wait to be assisted. One of our staff members will go ahead and greet you at the door. The first thing that you'll be handed is a consent form, just letting you know what we are doing to protect you and ourselves during this pandemic, and also providing your consent that you accept the conditions of entering our office. Your temperature then will be taken. We are making sure that all patients are not exhibiting any symptoms. Upon entering, our staff members will say hello. If there's anything that needs to be handled at the front desk area, you can discuss that with them, any financial matters or insurance matters or any questions you have. One of our staff members will then bring you to what was formerly our brushing station and now is our rinsing station and hand washing station. You'll be asked to do two things before you head back to the operatory. You'll be asked to rinse and then also, of course, washing your hands. Please use soap and water thoroughly before coming back to the operatory. Here we are with Dr. Matt, and Dr. Matt is going to show you the routine that we go through before we see every patient. You'll see the first thing he's doing is thoroughly washing his hands. And we as a staff and doctors are washing our hands and using hand sanitizer all throughout the day to make sure that we're keeping ourselves clean and protected and also protecting our patients. So Dr. Matt, before he sees this patient, is thoroughly washing, and now he's going to gown up in a lot of this PPE, personal protective equipment, that we have put in place to keep ourselves protected and also protect our patients. So to see, the first thing he's going to do is use one of these disposable gowns, which is going to keep himself clean, and so after he sees the patient, he'll be able to dispose of that gown and use a fresh gown for the next patient. The next thing he has is an N95 mask, and that's an upgrade from the typical face mask that we use, in the sense that it really protects against aerosols produced by the doctor and aerosols produced by the patients. He then puts a normal surgical mask over the N95 mask to keep it clean, and then a face shield, eye shield to protect his eyes, and of course the gloves. And at that point, Dr. Matt is totally clean and protected, and you're protected, and he's ready to see the patient. Awesome. Once we have you comfortably seated, we will be sure to get a bib to protect your clothes and also eye protection for you as well. We will keep the mask on you until the doctor is ready to take a look in your mouth. And here we have the doctor, Dr. Matt, coming in. We're going to try to make limited contact, obviously, so no handshakes, no high fives, just some waves, hello, maybe an elbow bump. We'll take that. And as you can see now, Dr. Matt is ready to see the patient, and will signal for you to take off your face mask so that the doctor can take a look inside of your mouth. We still have all the entertainment and things like that to make you or your child comfortable. You will notice that we have a bench over here in the corner of the room. At this time, we're trying to limit the amount of people that do come into our operatories. So for your child, we are preferring that you do not come back into the operatory with your child unless it's absolutely needed. If we do need the presence of a parent, we ask that just one parent comes back and you can be seated on the bench while you observe. Once you're done with your appointment, we'll lead you up to the front desk where you can check out. Our checkout process is completely contact-free. We're working to gather the information from you ahead of time to make the check-in and check-out process as easy as possible. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We consider all of you family, and we're so lucky to have you as patients. We can't wait to see you soon.